Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying your phone supports Esim and is unlocked. That saves hours of troubleshooting. Once confirmed, buy an EU Esim plan and save the QR or activation code somewhere accessible. While still on Wi-Fi, open settings and find mobile or cellular plans so you can add the Esim immediately. Make sure your primary physical SIM settings are documented and contacts are backed up, because you may toggle profiles during setup. This gets you into the activation flow fast and clean. Once done with purchase, scan the QR or manually enter the activation code in mobile or cellular settings to add the new eSIM. After the profile installs, set the eSIM as your primary data line while keeping your physical SIM for native calls or texts, if you prefer. Make sure to disable data roaming on the physical SIM so you don't incur charges, and enter APN details only if the eSIM provider requires them. If you need to switch, toggle the active data line in settings. The change is immediate. You finish by testing connectivity. Load a web page, run a speed check, and receive an SMS or call to confirm full functionality. Once satisfied, top up the eSIM plan or set a data limit and note expiry and billing currency to avoid surprises. If something goes wrong, for example, no signal, restart your phone first. If that fails, remove and reinstall the eSIM profile, verify network selection is set to automatic, and contact the eSIM provider with your activation code, handy for support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.